Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting by ensuring nothing is actively using the project. Close Vscode and any terminal sessions. Next, locate the project folder path in Explorer or use pwd in a terminal because you'll need the exact location to delete safely. Make sure you have a backup. Commit and push to your remote repository or copy the folder to an external drive if you might need it later. Once done, you've removed the biggest risk of accidental data loss and can proceed to removal steps. Now delete the project folder itself using your preferred method. You can drag it to trash or recycle bin for easy recovery, or use the terminal, rmrf folder on Mac OS/Linux, or rmdir/s folder on Windows when you're sure. Check for hidden items like Vscode or Git and decide whether to remove or archive them separately. These hold workspace settings and repository history. Make sure to empty the trash only after confirming no needed files remain, because that makes deletion permanent. Finish by cleaning up Vscode state so the deleted project stops appearing in recent lists. Clear recent workspaces or remove the folder from a saved workspace. If extensions keep referencing the folder, disable or reconfigure them. If the OS blocks deletion, check for locked files or permissions. On Mac OS/Linux, use lsoft to find processes holding files. On Windows, use Task Manager or Handle Utilities, then retry deletion. If something still goes wrong, restore from your backup and repeat the safe delete steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.